Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson Legal Considerations in SLAs. Legal considerations in service level agreements are critical for ensuring that the expectations and responsibilities of both service providers and clients are clearly defined and legally enforceable. SLAs are formal, legally binding documents that outline the specific services to be provided, the performance standards to be met, and the remedies or penalties for non-compliance. Understanding the legal intricacies of SLAs is essential for both parties to protect their interests and avoid potential disputes. One of the primary legal aspects of SLAs is the precise definition of the services to be provided. This includes a detailed description of the scope of services, performance metrics, and deliverables. Ambiguity in these definitions can lead to misunderstandings and disputes. For instance, a cloud service provider might specify an uptime guarantee of 99.9%, but without clear definitions and measurement criteria, it becomes challenging to enforce this provision. Therefore, legal language in SLAs must be unambiguous, with specific terms that leave little room for interpretation. Another critical legal component is the delineation of responsibilities and liabilities. SLAs should explicitly state the responsibilities of both the service provider and the client. This includes the provider's obligation to maintain service levels and the client's duty to comply with usage policies and payment terms. Liability clauses are crucial in determining the extent of each party's responsibility in case of service failures. For example, if a cloud service experiences downtime, the SLA should outline the provider's liability for potential losses incurred by the client. These clauses often include limitations of liability, which cap the amount the provider must compensate, thus protecting the provider from excessive financial exposure. Confidentiality and data protection are also significant legal considerations in SLAs, especially in the context of cloud services. SLAs must address how sensitive data will be handled, stored, and protected. This includes compliance with relevant data protection laws and regulations, such as the General Data Protection Regulation in Europe or the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act in the United States. The SLA should specify the measures the service provider will take to ensure data security, as well as the procedures for data breach notification and remediation. Failure to adequately protect data can result in severe legal and financial consequences for both parties. Dispute resolution mechanisms are another essential element of SLAs. These provisions outline the steps to be taken in the event of a disagreement between the service provider and the client. Common mechanisms include negotiation, mediation, arbitration, and litigation. An effective dispute resolution clause can prevent minor disagreements from escalating into costly legal battles. For instance, an SLA might specify that disputes will first be addressed through good faith negotiations between senior executives of both parties, followed by mediation if necessary, before resorting to arbitration or litigation. This structured approach can save both time and resources while preserving the business relationship. Service continuity and disaster recovery are also vital legal concerns in SLAs. The agreement should outline the provider's commitment to maintaining service continuity in the face of unforeseen events such as natural disasters, cyber attacks, or system failures. This includes detailed disaster recovery plans, backup procedures, and timelines for service restoration. The SLA should also specify the provider's obligations regarding data backup and recovery, ensuring that the client's data can be restored to a usable state within a defined timeframe. These provisions are crucial for minimizing the impact of service disruptions on the client's operations. Moreover, the termination and renewal terms of SLAs are legally significant. The agreement should clearly state the conditions under which either party can terminate the SLA, including breach of contract, non-performance, or changes in business needs. Termination clauses should also address the procedures for winding down services, such as data migration, return of client data, and final billing. Renewal terms should specify the process for extending the SLA, including any changes to service levels, pricing, or other terms. These provisions ensure that both parties have a clear understanding of their rights and obligations at the end of the contract period. Finally, compliance with applicable laws and regulations is a fundamental legal consideration in SLAs. Service providers and clients must ensure that their agreement complies with relevant legal requirements, which may vary depending on the industry and jurisdiction. This includes adherence to laws governing contracts, consumer protection, data privacy, and intellectual property. Failure to comply with these legal requirements can result in penalties, legal disputes, and damage to the parties' reputations. Therefore, it is essential for both parties to seek legal counsel when drafting and reviewing SLAs to ensure full compliance with all applicable laws and regulations. In conclusion, the legal considerations in SLAs are multifaceted and require careful attention to detail. From defining service levels and responsibilities to ensuring data protection and compliance with laws, each aspect plays a crucial role in creating a robust and enforceable agreement. By addressing these legal considerations, both service providers and clients can establish a clear framework for their relationship, minimize the risk of disputes, and protect their interests. Properly drafted SLAs serve as a safeguard, ensuring that both parties understand their obligations and can rely on legal recourse in the event of non-compliance or service failure. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UXL, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.